peeps, the pieces of the jigsaw puzzle in relation to the major gun bust of the 119 guns intercepted at the Miami International Airport by a border protection agency en route to Montego Bay, Jamaica, are slowly falling into place. We saw recently where the counsel, the PNP counsel for the Granville Division in St. James, came under the microscope when it was revealed by the PNP itself that the person who, the media has been reporting it, that the person who was supposed to receive the gun was the former employee of Mr. Troupe. However, my research is suggesting that the former employee of Mr. Troupe is not the person who was supposed to receive the shipment. It is actually the person who sent the shipment. Yeah, that's what we soon talk about that. Mr. Troupe said said person in question left his employ about 3 months ago. So the discovery was made on the 13th of November, right? And it broke in the news early December in Jamaica. So if it is 3 months from early December, you would go back to November, October, September. So it would beg the suggestion that this person would have walked off the job, as Mr. Troupe claimed, in probably late August or early September. However, the mayor of Montego Bay, Homer Davis, I think his name is, has refuted the claims made by Mr. Troupe, saying that the person in question, and the person's name is KARIMA HUDSON, the person in question did not in fact leave the job in 3 months ago as Mr. Troupe is claiming, but that person was employed up to October. Mr. Troupe said no go so. Mr. Troupe defense to that is saying that the payment was late and the payment was made in November the 17th to be exact. You understand what I say? The mayor is saying not no go so. So the mayor has requested an investigation into documents concerning KARIMA HUDSON and MICHAEL Troupe. KARIMA HUDSON was the personal assistant of MICHAEL Troupe, and the payment would have been made out for, I think, some administrative work for the council. See? No, the check was made out in the sum of $25,000, and it was collected on November the 13th by one KARIMA HUDSON. This is the same person that Mr. Troupe has very vehemently and vociferously stated that walked off the job 3 months ago. As me say, his defense is that she walked off the job a long time because of late payment and the money just reaching. He's saying that the woman who was employed to replace Ms. Hudson was also paid in November. You understand what I say? So that is the situation right there. So now further developments suggest that the person who was supposed to receive the shipment at Montego Bay, see, her name is Monique Hastings. She turned herself into the police yesterday at 9 AM and she has been detained. Her attorney, Oswald Senior Smith, says that he is not sure whether charges will be laid, but head of the Organized Crime Division, Deputy Commissioner Fitzbailey, I think his name is suggesting that there are possible charges of conspiracy to import and distribute weapons charges that could be laid. You understand what I say?
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach. Beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
Make we backtrack a little. MICHAEL Troupe in an initial statement, well, I think his lawyer, Henry McCurdy, said that Mr. Troupe had not communicated or had any contact with said person, KARIMA HUDSON, since she walked off of the job 3 months ago. However, she went in to collect the check on November the 17th. Who would have given her the check? I don't know. Was Mr. Troupe present when the check was being collected? I don't know. Why did Mr. Troupe not say that she come pick up the check on the 17th of November when the thing just break out? Is Mr. Troupe hiding something? You understand? Mr. Troop come out and say, yo, the people that we are slander and name him will sue you in court because he's prepared to sue. But Mr. Troop, the more information comes out, is the more and more persons will continue to theorize and point fingers and make assumptions. Saying, and it would appear that you have not been honest from the get-go, and you are now coming off as somebody who is very disingenuous and somebody who is hiding something. And as I said before, peeps, I have never claimed that Mr. Troop is involved. However, any well-thinking Jamaican, having known what politicians have done in this country and gotten away with, see, and the capabilities and the ill intent that politicians have, would make suggestions and formulate opinions based on the relation that existed between the now named KARIMA HUDSON and Mr. Troop. See? So that is the situation, peeps. KARIMA HUDSON was in the employ of Mr. Troop. He claimed she walked off the job 3 months ago. The mayor of Montego Bay said nothing ago, so we'll see what the investigation turns up. And the person who was supposed to receive the shipment, Monique Hastings, has turned herself in to the police. She's now in custody and is being questioned by investigators, and charges could be laid. We don't know. We'll watch and see. So interesting. You know, me I keep my eye on that one here. It's a joke. Me I pray.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.